In this video, I am going to explain the different types of simple flight itineraries. The first is called a one-way itinerary. For example, in this PNR created in Amadeus GDS, the passenger is going to leave Heathrow Airport with British Airways flight number 175 at Terminal 5 on November 8, which is a Monday at 9:50 a.m. His expected arrival time at John F. Kennedy International Airport is at 12:55 p.m. Notice that I included the IATA area where the airport is categorized. For fare construction purposes, IATA has divided the world into three traffic conference areas, numbered TC1, TC2, and TC3. Traffic conference areas are considered when the traffic routes are to be allotted. The aircraft make their flying operations according to these traffic conference areas. Each IATA area is further subdivided into small areas, or IATA tariff sub-area. Area 1 is composed of airports located in North America, Caribbean islands, Central America, and South America. Area 2 comprises Europe, Russia, specifically the west of the Urals, Africa, and the Middle East. Area 3 constitutes Russia, or east of the Urals, Japan and South Korea, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and the Southeast Pacific. Note that the Ural Mountain of Russia and Tehran in the Middle East divides TC2 with TC3. You may have also encountered the terms Western Hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere when talking about world map. Remember that the world map is split into two uneven halves. Western Hemisphere is composed of all of Area 1, while Eastern Hemisphere is all of Areas 2 and 3. Going back to our one-way itinerary, this is considered a non-stop flight because it is a single flight between two cities without any touchdown between the origin and destination. Can you differentiate a non-stop flight from a direct flight? If yes, please pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. After writing, press the play button to continue. Our next simple flight itinerary is called round trip or a return trip. It is described as flying from your origin to your destination and back to your origin. Your destination could also be referred to as your point of turnaround. For example, this PNR shows a return itinerary. The outbound is on October 14 from Singapore Changi Airport going to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The inbound flight is on October 15 and both flights will be with Malaysia Airlines. Let's take a look at this next return itinerary. This is from Singapore Changi Airport going to Athens International Airport via Hamad International Airport on November 8. This is an example of online transfer since there is a change from one flight to another flight operated by the same carrier. Can you identify the difference between online and interline transfers? If yes, please pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. After writing, press the play button to continue. Here's another return itinerary. Observe the inbound flight. The last flight segment is with Lufthansa, however, it is going to be operated by Thai Airways International. This agreement between airlines results in codeshare. To define formally, it is when one carrier operated a flight on behalf of another, using the carrier's airline designator code. At this point, let's talk about the third simple flight itinerary called Open Jaw. To discuss this, let's take a look at this example. The outbound flight is on August 17 from London Gatwick Airport, going to Indira Gandhi International Airport via Dubai International Airport. The arrival is on the following day at the local time of the destination. Observe that for the return flight, the departure airport is different. This type of travel is called open jaw because the air routing looks like an open mouth from the side if you draw the routing on a map. An open jaw at your destination is called a turnaround open jaw or destination open jaw. In short, this is when you leave from a different airport than where you arrived. Another variation of this type of travel is called origin open jaw. This is when you return to a different airport than where you originated. For example, the outbound flight is from Heathrow Airport going to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. However, for the inbound flight, it is going to Manchester Airport, which is not the origin airport.